All right, so today we are installing the eBay Chinese replica IS lip for facelift E30s. The one I got is not great quality. I've heard other people getting them and being able to just clip them right on using the OEM clips on the valance, but mine is not a lot of great quality control there, and so I got to grind down some parts of it to make the OEM clips fit. I'm just gonna give you a walkthrough of what I'm experiencing. So here's the lip. It's the finish isn't great, but it's fine for just a street car. It's gonna get beat up. The That's where the clips go, the OEM clips, and it's like not consistent. It's real thick on one spot. What I did was grind it down top and bottom a little bit with just a cut off wheel. You can see the marks there, but it's thinner. I also had to cut material from here back to make this little tab shorter. As you can see, this one isn't done yet, and it's thicker, so the clip doesn't go all the way in and see correctly. Yeah, so here's the OEM clip. It's what they look like. It's got these little, on the inside right there, you can see where that little kind of notch is. It goes into the hole. I'll show you how it works. So this part goes up into your valance, and it goes onto the lip like this. It just clips on right there. You can kind of see those little tabs and how they fit in those little holes. But that's what it should look like. So first thing I did, this is the best way I figured out how to do it. You might be able to find another way, but the first thing I did was just kind of get those clips centered up and put a mark here. So I know how wide to cut back because I need to remove this front material here and pull that back. So I just marked it with a Sharpie. Next thing I'm doing is taking this angle grinder. It's just got a cutoff wheel on it. That's just what I'm using because I'm a redneck and don't feel like changing this out to anything else. But there we go. That might be thin enough. Perfect. That's all there is to it. basically you have to do that 10 times because there's 10 clips. Some people use zip ties instead of the OEM clips, but I wanted to give this a go, so that's what I'm having to do with this $40 eBay lip. If you do this the way I did and use the OEM clip, it has these little pins here. You press the clip up into your valance, and then you have to use a hammer and a punch and just push that pin up, and that locks it into your valance before you go ahead and clip on your lip. So the OEM part number right there. You're gonna need 10 of those. I think it was about $30. So this is what it looks like when you get this clip installed. Real easy to just press in. Pop. I just took this piece of steel and tap the pin in. Again, there are 10 of these clips throughout your valance. Alright, let's see if this lip mounts up easily. Alright, so here is the fitment. There's a bit of a gap. You can kind of see the clip up there. Sticks out right there. Too bad I can't get this last clip to snap in, so I'm gonna maybe zip tie it or mess with it some more, but that's what we got right now. Not too bad. For $40, I guess it's alright, but like, it's kind of a headache to grind all that down and get the clips to fit, and then the fitment not still not being great. It's worth it to me. This is a budget build, so just trying to get it back on the road and looking somewhat presentable. If this was a restoration, I wouldn't be using this, but it's just going to be kind of a daily beater car probably. So that's all I got. It's that's the knockoff IS slip off of eBay. Just a Chinese replica, I'm assuming. There it is.